Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So here's my Crunchyroll playing up here, and now I'm going to stream this on my Discord. So first of all, open a voice channel and click on screen, and now select the Crunchyroll from here and make sure to check the share tab audio, and then click on share, and then here we can see my Crunchyroll has been started to streaming. So this was how we can stream Crunchyroll on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.